Hello, Replicas here with another update. Um, I've been working on my AK pistol a lot. Changed a few things, rebuilt a few things. Um, I'll start off with the barrel. I added the cleaning rod, some details at the gas tube. Added about three studs length to the handguard, like the real AK pistol has. Also made this new silencer. I really love it. Looks pretty badass. Um, oh. I had to add tape on the barrel because else it would fall off because of the weight of the silencer. Rebuilt the trigger, now it works better. Rebuilt the bolt and added the sling attachment. I think it looks pretty good. Please rate, comment and subscribe. I'll be back with another update. Won't be too long. So see you later. Bye.